Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this basic baked ziti. Absolutely fantastic with only 6 ingredients. The first ingredient you're going to need is 5 cups of a really good marinara sauce you can pick up at your supermarket, or a spaghetti sauce, whatever your favorite is. 2 cups of grated mozzarella cheese. I do this by hand. I think it's much fresher. This is an 8-ounce block of your mozzarella cheese grated. 2 cups of ricotta cheese. A 15-ounce container will do. 1 16-ounce box of your ziti, a penne or rigatoni pasta will also do. 1/2 cup of your grated Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, and this is optional. I just like the look. First, we're gonna cook our ziti according to the package directions. While the ziti's cooking, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil into the bottom of the 13 by 9-inch pan. With the marinara sauce, I'm going to add about a cup here into the bottom. Smear it around. We can sit this off to the side. My ziti's cooked and I'm adding a little olive oil. The olive oil is optional. Give it a lovely little tossing. For that shredded mozzarella cheese, we're gonna take a cup, reserve it for topping our baked ziti, and we're gonna sit this off to the side. In a medium-sized bowl, I'm adding that ricotta cheese, and make sure to get it all out with the Parmesan cheese and the rest of that mozzarella cheese. I'm going to incorporate these 3 ingredients until they're well blended together. We can add half the parsley. Now remember, the parsley is optional. This looks absolutely perfect. In a larger bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of that marinara sauce. I'm tossing that cooked ziti until the ziti is well blended. Add half of the baked ziti and spread it around to corner to corner. Now the reason I add that bottom layer is while the ziti is baking, it's not going to stick to the bottom of your pan. We're coming back with that ricotta, and we're going to dab just a little bit at a time over this center layer until we get it distributed equally. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fantastic. And when you bake it and when you serve it, all your family and guests are going to think you spent all day making it. And it's very simple and easy to make. Now that we've got this ricotta mixture and mozzarella cheese mixture here in the middle, we're going to go back and just add a super thin coat of your marinara sauce until it's looking like this, because you want to save at least 1 cup of your marinara sauce for the top of your baked ziti here before you add on the rest of your mozzarella cheese. And at this time, your oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Back with the rest of that tossed ziti. And like I said, if you want to use penne pasta or rigatoni, that will be just as good as this ziti pasta. Just be sure to cook your pasta according to the package label. Very, very important. I'm coming back with the rest of that marinara sauce, and we're going to spread it here on the top. Make sure you push your ziti down. For the final touch, we're just adding that lovely fresh grated mozzarella cheese, and this is going to put it over the top when you take it out of the oven. Guaranteed. Off to a 350 degree preheated oven on the middle rack at 350 degrees for the next 40 to 45 minutes. No peeking. Baked ziti is here, and look how scrumptious and delicious that looks. See how it's bubbling there on the edge? That's exactly what you're looking for, and nice and golden on the top. My whole house smells fantastic. I'm gonna let it cool here for about 15 minutes, and I'll cut into it and tell you what it tastes like. Gotta give this baked ziti a try. Oh, my yums. And looky there, still super duper hot. Absolutely smells fantastic. And I've got a little cheese over here on the side I'm gonna pull over. If you want to top it with fresh parsley just for looks, you may, and also flavor. Looky there. That cheese that's baked on top. That ziti with the ricotta cheese and the mozzarella cheese and the Parmesan cheese. Oh, That is just heavenly Italian cuisine on a fork. Gotta go for it. 6 ingredients to a perfect hearty meal. Fast, simple, and easy to do, y'all. I'm Dorada with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Join me here on YouTube or Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.